Hi, I'm Steve from Eightfold Property, and today I'll be demonstrating how to use Fixflo as a tenant.
It's fairly simple. All you do is follow the link as provided on our website. If you go scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a report maintenance button. Just click that through, it'll take you to this page. You'll be able to search basically what the issue is and follow through the link from there. So common one is going to be a gas boiler. So if you go through onto here, you should be able to follow the steps. Boiler not working. This is really important. We've got a few of these pop-ups on the website that we have sort of programmed in, but it will just show for the more common issues, whether it be mold or heating, how you can easily resolve this yourself without getting in touch with us. This obviously saves contract call-outs, it saves yourselves time, and it lets you learn a little bit about how to look after a property. So I do recommend, if any of these pop-ups do come up, have a proper read through them. They are quite thorough. They include information and essentially videos that we have made to supplement, but definitely worth looking at. If you do need to go through regardless, always make sure that you give as much information as possible. So the make and the model number, the serial number, this won't apply to all of the issues that you're uploading obviously, but make sure you give as much detail as possible to sort of outline the issue for us. And if you include any sort of troubleshooting that you have done personally, that's always going to be helpful as well. In the next tab, it will ask you to upload a photo. If you're doing a boiler, the most common thing is going to be the front panel where you can see the pressure gauge. A really common boiler issue is not having pressure. So if you put that on there, always try and include the make and model of whatever you're taking a photo of. That's going to be the most beneficial thing for us to help you. The next page is going to ask you about your contact details. Just take your time here, make sure everything's correct. We've had a couple of issues where people entered the wrong details, and obviously it prevents contractors being able to get in touch with you to book in appointments for repairs. So just take your time, make sure that you've got all the details correctly. It's always good to use the postcode searcher to pop in the correct address. This information should be filled out to the best of your knowledge. And make sure that if you press remember my details next time, it will create an account for you, so you should be able to view sort of any open issues that you've raised at the property. So finally, we'll have a quick look at the dashboard for an occupier. Once you've actually followed the link through, you'll be taken to something that looks a bit like this. You'll have a comment section that you can go to, and you can chat to the agent and to the contractor if they've left you a comment as well. You can decline or confirm an appointment that's been suggested by the contractor. And on the next steps bit, the only time this will be important is once a issue has been closed off by the contractor, you'll be able to give some feedback as to whether it's been completed to a high standard or a low standard, or if they need to make a return trip.
Hopefully now you can see how easy it is to use Fixflo. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next video.